Yeah, it's quite a windy day at Itchener on this occasion. Off the beach it was force 5 or getting up to 6, but sheltered actually on the launching hard here. It's quite sheltered. So I'm just down to trying mainsail here, actually mainsail alone, reefed. See if we can just plug away out of the harbour. Not many other boats around, but I was pleased to meet Tom and Chris, I think it is, with this with the Mirror Dinghy. Amazing what it can do. And they'd already been out and gone all the way up the Bosom Channel, so pretty good sailing. And now they're going to take a run up to Del Quay, and actually they had to use the motor a bit getting back against wind and tide, but still a nice trip. They've got carrying full sail, but there are 2 of them in the boat, so I suppose that helps quite a bit. And now just getting ready to push off. This is my second attempt actually. I had the first time I tried the jib as well, and it was just too much. It's such a strong gusty wind, so I'm just going to hope I can just gently plug my way out of the Itchener reach here. That's against wind, almost against the wind, and against the tide definitely. Just plug along slowly until we're in clearer water. There are moorings all over the place, so when it's a strong wind it can be a little bit tricky actually. As we get out, it's getting a little bit more choppy, and the wind is gradually building. I've got to think eventually, in a little while, I've got to tack here. So I was thinking I'll try and get against near that shore that you see ahead, so it's a little bit of shelter. So here I've managed to put the tack in. And really getting a bit of speed up now. I don't suppose I'm really planing like they do with at the sailing club, you know, but getting along quite well. It's force 5 or more than 5, I would guess actually. 20-ish knots, something like that. But with the wind and tide both against me, it's a lot of tacking to get down the harbour. At this point I tried putting a little bit more body in the sail by easing off the reefing pendant, the aft reefing pendant, which just gave a little bit more body, just tacking here, which I do it in a way for survival, not for speed. So the sail was just that little bit more full, and also kept the boom slightly raised with the topping lift to give a bit more body to the sail, although the topping lift then gets in the way of the sail, but I haven't quite perfected what to do with that. Nothing else around. I think I saw one yacht, and then at one moment I saw 3 lads in lasers coming out, tacking again. I faced forward during tacking and passed the tiller behind my back. That seems a good way of doing it, because you can see where you're going all the time. Now it's getting up a bit as I'm getting down the harbour. I've passed past Chalk Dock on the way down towards Camber Beacon, and it's piping up a little bit, and we actually had a rain squall came through, which actually it was strong enough to make tacking difficult. It took me 2 attempts to get the boat round, so it was pushing up maybe 25 knots, something like that. I think you're just interested to see the boat just plodding along a steady way, even in a strong wind. It's not particularly racing, but it's just a way of just sailing along safely. And what I've done now, I decided to go back. I had that little rain squall came across, which was just above my limit, really. So I decided to turn around, just head for home under jib now. So as soon as you do that, of course, I've got wind and tide with me. It's a very safe thing to be doing in the harbour. So it's quite a relaxing run back up to Itchenor. Towards Itchenor, it started to get sheltered again, and had to use a bit of mainsail just for the last little bit, just to get into the hard again. So there we are, a good trip out.